Today is a very mixed day. So we are missing a great leader on one side. The other thing is, I think all of you are aware, but formally I'm announcing we got the NAC A plus grade. So we have distributed the seats because MS Prasad is the leader. They distribute the seats because the seats are for NAC. Seats are for the NAC. It's very, yes. So, okay. All of you are aware. So, yes, he has worked for the longest period in the last 12 years. He is the vice chancellor who has worked for the longest period of 4.5 months, 4.5 years. So, that is the biggest deal. Yes. And, yes. And during this last 4.5 years, I don't know what was his experience when the satellite was launched. So there is always a turbulence. Right from the beginning, right from his entry to this point, there was always a turbulence, but the direction is not changed. The direction is towards the USA. Yes. So that is a very great thing. Starting from the UGC continuation inspection, again re-inspection, 12B, MBA, MAC, all these one or two times many inspections were carried on. Every time there was something, some turbulence, some disturbance, like a rocket kind of thing, weather disturbance. So there, the direction has not changed, it has reached the target point, definitely. So that is the real leadership he has given it to the university. Yes. Another interesting part is, I think, why he is leaving? That's the problem. So yes, when he finished his term of 3 years, he mentioned it. I am finished 3 years. Well, so I asked him to continue. Some of him, okay, continued it. Again, he mentioned at another time. So to continue till the NAC is completed. This is on my request. He has continued over the last 4.5 years very happily. Normally, when the people occupied some positions, it is they don't realize, and naturally they feel that they are inevitable. This is an exceptional man, like Bhagavad Gita kind of thing. Yes, we played our role. So, like Sri Krishna, he has played his role. Come out of that, something like that. He is thinking of that kind and reminding me all through. So then once he finished it, he came to me and asked me, okay, what is the next thing? Only thing I have to finish all the books and all these things. So fine, yes, then I accepted and okay, go ahead with the kind of thing. Another interesting part is, I think all of you must have doubts. How our travel between him and me? How was the travel? You don't believe it, and it won't happen also normally. Because it won't happen in your home with your husband or wife. Because there is always a clash, quarrel, this, that, and all that happens. You don't believe that never anything happened in the last 4 years. That was the kind of, yes, never happened. Yeah. Maybe we have difference of opinion on certain things, but we maintain self-dignity. We respect others' opinion. That is how it has gone. Never it happens. Even in government institutions also, it won't happen. Yes, there is a clash with the secretary, there is a clash with other people, there is a clash with the minister or somebody. And in private institutions, it never happens. Always, yes, at every moment there is something. But never happened like this. You can recall your family lives. No family is like it. So something, that's a great thing happened in the last 4.5 years. and that shows his magnanimity, matured approach, and everything. And the other, he has given the leadership, real leadership. Leadership, management people and other people, you study lots of books, but you have seen the leadership. You have experienced the leadership. What is the leadership? So we have to select people and trust people. That is the one great quality one should have as a leader. We should not suspect people and we should not emulate people. All that. That is one thing. And the second thing is one should have as a leader knowledge. Enough knowledge. And the third quality is you should have some focused areas, direction to give his people. And the fourth and biggest quality, what I believe is, it is not to prepare the followers, it is to prepare the leaders again. A leader has to prepare the leaders. That is how many leaders, as deans and HODs, that is what we have all expressed, prepared. These are some of the great qualities of a leader, and he has shown it everything. So, this is our relationship. Don't think that we have some differences or some issues or something. Nothing. Zero differences, zero problems, zero issues. Only thing it is something. And this kind of thing also rarely happens. It happens in some good institutions like ISRO, but in many institutions, people come with a very ambitiously, very happily enjoy. But when they are leaving, most of the people leave very unhappily, very unpleasantly and all that. So I wanted to make this day as an important day, like as the day he was joined. That is what I told Rishna also. It should be done in a great way, in a gracious way. Yes. And it's not only that the people remember the day of joining, day of entering, any activity or any institution, anything. But the greatest thing is people should remember the day of leaving, day of departing. That is the most important day, I believe. So we, as all of you have expressed, maybe some of you expressed from the dais, some of you are not able to express from the dais because of the lack of time. Definitely, tomorrow and day after tomorrow is kept only for that. You can go to him and express your feelings, express your association with him, express your whatever you like to feel. So he has given a great leadership to the institution for the future, and he has established something, a launch pad, as Krishna is telling, a launch pad to prepare to fly many satellites. And yes, he has given the great foundation for the institution from the last 4.5 years. So that is I really thank him on behalf of everybody over here, and I wish him all the best in his future life. Definitely, as Krishna said, we are going to have another center, Hyderabad, by next year. Maybe he will be the mentor for that center, if not a regular this thing. So because he got an experience, he has developed some culture, or he knows our culture, what is the kind of culture we have to grow with that. And that is to create a culture in the new fellow, it takes a lot of time. So he has already lived with that and created something. He is familiar with the culture. It is very easy to recreate the similar kind of thing. In the research part, everybody spoke about not only establishment of facilities, laboratories and all that is there, but he has created a confidence in some of the people. Yes, we can do this. We can perform this. We can complete this. That is the most important thing. That is what is the specialty of our institution. Perhaps you do not know. Many different universities, they may have projects, they may have a bit more number of papers and all that. But all those things, they take the support from external agencies, from the industry people, from the highway people. So this is it. But we are doing on our own. For example, if we had listed some 50, 60 people as adjunct professors who are working in the industry, and they are doing the work, and we are claiming it, when we develop ourselves, that is actually happening in many universities. That is last time when the second visit has come, the chairman has identified this. Yes, they are doing good work, but good work within the university, not from outside the university. That is, he could identify that. That's a very healthy symptom, and he is responsible for making you confident and doing some good work. That is the beauty. That is the beauty. That's why we should have centers. If you have money, we can do. So, the construction building, if you have money, we can do. Establishment of confidence in the people, that is the difficult part. That is the very difficult part. That he has taken a lot of pains, trains, and all that. So, he has done a great work. At least, I know 40, 50 people are there who are confident. Yes, I can do a good thing. I can proceed further. I can reach the next level. So I can't expect 400 people just like that. At least 40, 50 people are like that. That is his great contribution. So that is a wonderful thing about these things. And one great thing is given the great leadership. Now he is peaceful after retirement. I had the worry who will take up whether he is fit to the us or not, fit to the philosophy or not, fit to the culture or not. How can it be? I will be the worried man for the next 1 or 2 months till a new man comes. He is the happiest man now. So, naturally, we have to match the frequency and we have to match everything. We don't know, because any vice chancellor, any fellow comes from some other institute, he comes with the luggage also. He doesn't come fresh. He comes with the luggage, it means he with some ideas, some attitudes, some differences, some totally different approach and all that. May and may not suit us, and we have to adjust with that and how to make it. That's I must be a worried man for the next 1 or 2 months till we get a suitable fellow. So this is it happened. I really, on behalf of everybody, I really thank him for his great contribution in the development of the institution. I still remember, I can't name it. So it's a big experience. So before his coming, one vice chancellor was there from IIT. There was a UGC presentation. UGC asked us to present. He doesn't want to go. Present. Yes, we were in a very bad situation. Vice Chancellor has to present. Vice Chancellor doesn't want to go. Because he is not confident. He is not, that's it. Then Registrar has substituted it. Against that, this man has faced 5, 10 inspections. That is see the difference of level difference. For one presentation, he could not go. He has no confidence. He has no that kind of this thing. So against that, he has faced almost every 6 months one inspection, one verification, one presentation kind of thing. Really, I thank him for his great contribution. We are all of us really missing him in a great way. Definitely, your this thing impressions would be there for it will last for a long period. Your impressions and approach, your philosophy created, all these things would be there for a long time on this institution. And this institution will not, maybe physically leaving you, emotionally we are leaving you anymore. As I told you, you will be connected somehow. So the other part is about the NAC. I think all of you are aware, we got a wonderful score, that is 3.49. That is the score we got. That is A plus. It means we have missed the A plus plus 0.01. And we appeal to that. Okay, it may or may not happen. As I told you on that day also, we have worked our best. So leave the result to the God, to the spirits, whatever it may be. But even now we got a very good score. It's a wonderful score by any means. And if you get it, it's good. Otherwise also we are happy. So once again, I thank you all for all the faculty members, especially నాన్ టీచింగ్ వాళ్ళు చాలా కంట్రిబ్యూట్ చేశారు. నాకు టైం అప్పుడు రాత్రి వాళ్ళు కష్టపడ్డారు. మీరందరికీ చాలా చాలా ధన్యవాదాలు తెలియజేస్తున్నా. రాత్రి వాళ్ళు ఫ్యాకల్టీ మెంబర్స్, సో మెనీ పీపుల్ sacrificed their families, sacrificed the time for their children, sacrificed everything, especially IQS team and other people. Yes, you have done a great work. I really thank you very much for all your work. We'll march in the same way, in the same spirits, and to the next levels. So the 2-3 things, I think this is the right time. So one thing is we have to improve the quality of teaching again. So we are going to form some small committees to check, verify the quality of teaching in the real classrooms. And the second thing is what I observed from a long time is the quality of projects is also not up to the mark. That needs a lot of improvement. So these are the few things I think we have to do it at this start at this moment. So once again, on behalf of non-teaching staff, teaching staff, and the whole top level people, and management side, board of management side, from my side and Krishna's side, we thank you very much for your great contribution. You have left the last landing questions on the people and the institute. Thank you.